Most people think you need editing skills or a fancy camera to start a YouTube channel, but this new AI method proves them wrong. First of all, check this video. I created this glass fruit cutting video using AI in just 10 seconds, using a single prompt and one AI tool. Sounds crazy, right? The best part? Videos like this are going viral, getting millions of views and making thousands of dollars all from a single clip. Yes, this is what I call a dollar printing niche right now. I am already running 2 channels on this viral niche. If you want to make money, then to be honest, this is the best time to start this niche on social media. Now imagine creating these kinds of videos yourself and actually earning from them. These relaxing ASMR-style visuals are trending right now, millions of views every week on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. The best part? You don't need a camera, a studio, or editing experience. All you need is the right prompt formula and proper roadmap. And that's exactly what I'll teach you inside my glass fruit cutting AI course. When I started, I struggled for weeks. I couldn't get realistic lighting, liquid flow, or texture. After watching dozens of YouTube videos, I realized no one was sharing the full process or the exact working prompt. But after testing hundreds of prompt variations, I finally cracked the method that gives ultra-realistic cinematic results every time. Now I've packed everything into one short, easy-to-follow course, no guesswork, no confusion. Inside the course, you'll get my exact prompt, explained word by word. You'll learn how to replace any fruit, tweak reflections, fix lighting, and make your AI videos go viral. Plus, a bonus section on how to turn your renders into short viral ASMR clips. It's simple, fast, and beginner-friendly. You can start today. If you want to make these AI videos and make money online, I have uploaded my own detailed premium course, including secret unique prompts and tutorials in the description. Whether you learn it from me or from YouTube, the point is, you must start today if you really want to change your life. Honestly, it doesn't matter if you learn from me or someone else. What matters is you actually begin your journey. I've been in this field for 2 years. I know the mistakes beginners make. That's why this course is paid, so you get real tested knowledge that actually works. I didn't make it free because this course took real time, effort, and my personal experience to create, and when you pay for something, you value it more and actually use it. So I didn't keep it free because real results never come from free shortcuts. Click the link in the description if you want to join my premium glass fruit cutting AI course. Make your first viral AI channel today.